Welcome to our exclusive video training series, where we show you how to navigate our website with ease. In this video, we will show you our extensive support section for you, our distributors. Let's start on the home page. First, bring your mouse to the top of the screen and hover over the support category. Click on Find a Distributor. On this page, you can use the map to locate nearby distributors for Power Assemblies products. When you become one of our distribution partners, your business location is added to this list so that consumers in your area can find and locate you to purchase our products. We list your address, phone number, email, and even provide directions to your business. Next, head back up to the Support tab and click Become a Distributor. Here is where you can apply to become an approved Power Assemblies distributor. Being a distributor brings so many advantages, like lead sharing, product training, higher margins, net 30 terms, and discounts for stocking our innovative power solutions. It's extremely simple to apply. Just fill out the form and click Submit. Next, head back up to the Support tab again and click Contact Us. Here is where you can find ways to reach us for anything you might need. Our project engineers are available at your disposal. For questions regarding sales, products, quotes, or product suggestions, you can reach us by email at sales@powerassemblies.com or call us at 877-597-5787. For questions regarding accounts receivables, you can reach us by email at ar@powerassemblies.com. For questions regarding accounts payable, you can reach us by email at ap@powerassemblies.com. For any other unrelated questions, you can reach our General Manager, Jesse Dean, at jdean@powerassemblies.com, or our President and CEO, Patricia Knowles, at pknowles@powerassemblies.com. We respond quickly because we know your time is valuable. Next, head back up to the Support tab once again and click on our blog section. Here, you'll find articles, technical papers, and electrical industry news written by our experts here at Power Assemblies. You can use the search bar to find something specific, or simply scroll down to browse our recent posts. Now let's head back up to the Support tab again to review our most frequently asked questions. Here, you'll find answers for some of our most common questions, such as, how long will my order take? The last section we're going to cover in this video is our product videos. Here we have in-depth videos that explain how our products work, along with some of their features and benefits. You're welcome to use these videos for your own marketing purposes on your website. Thanks for watching. For any additional information, please email us at sales@powerassemblies.com or call us at 866-825-8525.